Hello, friend. Uh, now I'm starting a new problematic solution for everyone who are using Challenger. So, after facing too many problems, I get to know that how you will check your problems when you're facing with the egg days and with regard to the Challenger. So, in this, I'll make around 20 videos. So, in that, I'll tell you what are the things to do if you will face such problems. So first of all, if you're using a Challenger, this interface will come, and first of all you have to know that how to check your certificates, that your Challenger certificate is valid, because the PSC and vet officers will come in and ask you, okay, show me the supplier that is providing you chart, is it updated or not, certificate is. So first of all you will click here, this is software status view. In that it will come like this, vessel and all this. In this there is a certificate, you have to just click this one and this will come. So according to my ship, these all things are coming, and at here you can see that license is up to this much time. So once you will show them, then they will be like, okay, that's okay, your certificate. And in case your certificate is not valid, how to update it? So you will ask your supplier, or from the online you go to Admiralty. Basically Admiralty don't supply you all this thing, you have to ask for your provider to give a license for the expiring this one. Then go to the settings, and here you can see the load license. Once you will hear the load license, it will ask you which folders you have kept that one. So from there you can take it out and put it here and just load. Once it will load, the license date will come here. Like if it is 2026, it will change to 27. So accordingly you will change this. So part 2 I'll discuss about something else. So wait for my part 2 video.